Admit it, your phone audio sucks. So why not use a wireless mic under $30? The OSA wireless mic. 2 mics, 2 wind muffs, a receiver. What more can you ask for? This is the whole little unit. It's smaller than the palm of my hand. You pull them out, automatically turn on, 100% charged, flashes green and white when it's looking for the receiver. The receiver has a USB-C port for your phone or iPad and can also take power to charge your whole unit while you're recording. Once you pull it out, it automatically connects to the receiver. It'll be a solid green. If you lose connection, it'll then start flashing green and red. Plug it back in. Using it on my iPad. Plug it back in, and again it automatically connects. And you can see there, it's connected to the iPad. It also shows you which transmitter is charging and what the power box is sitting at for battery life. So we have the receiver looking for the transmitter, is blinking, pull out the receiver, and automatically they both go solid. This audio is now the audio from the OSA wireless mic. Oh, Jeff just walked in. He wants to be a part of the video. Pull it out of your pocket, pull out the transmitter, it connects, and now both are connected. And they're both working. And there you go. Under $30. Your little windscreens. Okay. They actually clip on. They have 2 little clips pop on the side. Pop them on, boom, not going anywhere. How awesome is that? For a studio that has no sound dampening foam on the walls or the ceiling, how does this mic sound? Is it a mic that you would want to use? I think so. The biggest test will be going outside. It's Thanksgiving weekend. We're here with Shank Exploration, and we thought we would test out the OSA mics on this windy beach, and actually just running 2 mics because I was only able to run 1.
And I've only ever ran 1.
So it'd be interesting on how actually it works talking over each other. Does it sound really bad if he interrupts me while I'm talking?
I never interrupt.
No, never. Or, does it actually sound like we're just having a conversation? Now, the wind is to our backs. So if we actually turned to the sun and to the wind, how well can you hear us talking?
Yeah, I was going to say, because the wind's blowing directly on us now. And it's pretty windy.
Where are you going? Where's that?
I'm going over to see the sign here.
So I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's windy. And our father was a good 50 feet away at the time, 40 feet.
Pelicans.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, pelicans.
Pelicans. Oh, yeah, pelicans. See how low it is, though?
Yeah, it's super low.
Oh, my God, it's low. Well, considering we used to come right up to here. Yeah. A couple of years ago.
So while they're sitting back there, I'm going to
it's
move ahead.
Still, they got the filters now approved by the government, though.
The river?
Yeah.
I totally thought that was a sculpture. Just the way I saw it, I thought it was some type of...
Very weird, whatever it is.
That rock was not there before.
It's an inner tube with a big rock.
That rock's never been there.
But I saw it as like bighorn sheep.
Oh, I bet you they dug it out when they found when they dug out the... Used to be swimming area that's now inland.
Oh. Yeah, that's scary to think about, eh?
It used to be part of the lake. Now it's inland.
Chad, how have you liked the OSA mics? You've been using them longest.
I've been using them for, I don't know, a while. What's 4 months? 6 months?
At least 3 or 4 months, yeah, I'd say.
I got to say, I love them. Video quality compared to before, especially when you're working on vehicles or doing anything like that. You can have the mic totally hidden. No one even knows you're wearing a mic half the time. And you sound picture perfect whether you're this far away or whether you're this far away.
That's pretty far away.
So for that fact, they're really nice. And then also, I do like that every time you throw them in the case, they start charging themselves. It's got a built-in charger inside the case, which is really nice. The only thing I do dislike is your windbreaker will not fit inside the case, so you got to remember to keep those separate.
And see, DJI is the same thing.
So that's a norm.
It seems to be a normal. I haven't seen one yet that allows you to store the wind muffs in with the case. You have to store them elsewhere, which is very annoying.
Yeah, so I actually kept my original packaging and always put everything back in the original packaging so I don't lose the wind muff, because otherwise I lose everything. Simple as that. I'll lose everything. 10mm sockets, all gone.
Yeah, exactly.
So for that fact, no, they're really nice. They're convenient to use. You literally just plug it in your phone, it turns on, fires everything up, and you start talking. There's no Bluetooth connection. There's no messing around. They just automatically connect and you're going. And you can still charge your phone while it's hooked into your phone. So if you want to run a charger to it, you can actually still charge your phone while making longer content.
And that's the really nice feature with the receiver. With the now, question is, with the case, does it go up to 100? Because the number on my case is only at 39 right now.
So it does go up to 100%.
Okay.
And then as soon as you use this one, even for a couple minutes and plug it in, it'll maybe say 99%.
Yeah.
Something. But it actually does tell you up to a full 100. I just charge mine on occasion. I've never actually killed it.
Okay, that was my next question.
I've done pretty long content while on the trail and stuff and forgot it was plugged in and I still didn't kill it. So I don't actually have an answer on how long they last. They last a while.
They say 6 hours per mic, and then the case is supposed to charge the mic 5 times.
Now would make sense because I've charged my case, I think, twice.
Okay.
Because I was just like, oh, maybe I should charge that. It's not because it died. It was because it was like, oh, that's actually getting a little low for once. So I put it on to charge. So for that fact, yeah, it's pretty convenient. But like I said, someone needs to figure out the muff in the case problem. Or maybe make a clip so it clips on the outside of the case. Something. That's a 3D printing guy right there.
3D printed something.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I actually really like how compact the whole unit is and how nicely it sits in your pocket. For when you're going out like this, you can just have the whole case in your pocket, pull it out, pull the mics out, put it back in your pocket. Whereas the DJI is fairly bulky compared to the OSA case.
Yeah.
And it's more discomfort having it in your pocket than the OSA case being the size of your palm. So
yeah, being that I've never actually tried it in the pocket because it usually is in the backpack, in the kayak, or in the Jeep. So I've never actually tried in the pocket. So now, but think about that, it is pretty small.
Yeah.
So what's the price comparison between this one and the DJI?
So this one is normal price is $36 US or 49 Canadian, and the DJI is $256 US or 349 Canadian. Now, when I first bought my DJI mic, I paid the high premium price of $430, and they dropped price because of the new mic 2. Now the new mic 2 supposedly can Bluetooth to any camera device that offers Bluetooth connectivity for audio, whereas my mic has to be plugged in just like the OSA on the DJI. As a new creator coming into having good quality audio versus the iPhone itself, which we will do actually right now. So to give everyone a comparison, this is just on the iPhone 15?
No, iPhone 14 Pro.
iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the audio with the wind coming at us from the back, and then versus again the audio with the OSA. I'm sure you guys can hear a huge difference of audio.
It's fast. You literally plug it back in. It's like, don't, everything's live.
When using an iPhone case, make sure the receiver is fully plugged in, because we did not. So this whole clip ended up being the iPhone audio. So let's head over to the studio.
The question everyone is asking: what are my thoughts on this mic? Well, one, you tell me. You're the one listening to me through this video. For the price of getting, as a creator, for the price to get into recording good audio and not having to always stare at the camera with a shotgun mic, for under $30, I highly recommend the OSA mic. With having two mics, two wind muffs, you can record up to 20 meters away. You have 6 hours of microphone use before one dies. Now, if you're always recording by yourself, that's 12 hours. You put one in, use it, 6 hours, put one in for charge, use the other one. By the time you're ready to switch mics, that other microphone is already charged because it takes 1.5 hours. And this case can charge each microphone up to 5 times. It's all USB-C, comes with a charge cable, USB-C charge ports at the bottom there. I'm not sponsored by OSA. I purchased this mic with my own money. But hey, OSA, if you're watching, you know how to get a hold of me. You can find the OSA mic at Amazon. The link is below. If you like this microphone review and you want to see how I store all my camera gear, then check out this video here. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.